Welcome to Avni's Vegan Cuisine. Today I will be making vegan chocolate chip cookies. All of my ingredients are vegan. Okay, so here are the ingredients. Half a cup of butter, unsalted. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. 1 pouch of applesauce or 1/4 cup of applesauce. I use applesauce instead of egg, it's a substitute and all. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, and 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. Let's get started. Now, for the first step, I'm gonna add butter. That's half a cup. No. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Now let's get beating it, mixing it, same thing. While you're getting your ingredients, you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's do it. You're gonna mix it for about 2 minutes, and then you're gonna add in your wet ingredients. Finished mixing it for 2 minutes. This is how it should look. Now, let's get started on our wet ingredients. We're gonna add 1 pouch of applesauce or 1/4 cup of applesauce. Okay, that's done. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's mix it for 1 minute. Now after I mixed it for 1 minute, this is how it's supposed to look. Now let's get on to our dry ingredients. Now let's put in 1.5 cups of flour. And half a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now let's mix it for probably 30 seconds. I'm using 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. I'm gonna go wash my hands again before I knead the dough again. I pour the chocolate chips and now knead with my hands. Knead it well to get all that excess flour that you didn't get in the mixer. So, just a little taste test, just to make sure it tastes good. Delicious. Okay. Now let's take a small scooper, ice cream scooper, and put it in the pan. This is a 17 by 12 inch pan. It can fit about 12 cookies, and we're making 24 cookies in total, so that'll be about 2 batches. Yeah, 12 cookies, and make sure you space it good because it expands in the oven. And it's ready to go into the oven. It's at 350 degrees. I'm gonna put it in for 10 minutes and then take it out. The cookies are right out of the oven and burning hot. And they need to cool off for probably 3 to 5 minutes, and then you can put it on a cooling rack, and then probably another 10-15 minutes, and then you can eat it. I popped the other one in the oven, and afterwards If that's done and cooled off, I'll show you how it looks all together. Are all 24 cookies. Let's see what they taste. Now let's call him the taste tester. Oh, taste tester!
Hello.
I made chocolate chip cookies. Here you go.
That was really good. Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and give a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.